In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it, and to set it up, hit Get Started. Then choose I agree to terms and conditions, tap on Continue twice, and hit while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Then decide if you wish to apply iPhone wallpaper or stick with your current one and tap on Finish. Finally, after closing an ad, you'll be able to adjust all of those options and then click on Set as Default at the top. Lastly, to apply Apple layout, just click on it and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, go into the same launcher app, hit Set as Default, and tap on Default Home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!